How you doing?
Okay, you got a driver's license for me? Any weapons in the car?
I don't answer questions. Here's your license.
What's that?
What'd you stop me for?
I stopped because you have two tow hitches that are blocking your plate, and your license plate light is pointed straight back.
No, it's not.
Straight back.
It's pointed down. You're a fucking liar.
Did you identify yourself when you approached?
Officer Garcia, 101089.
Yo, Nick.
All the way up in the A-R-I-Z-O-N-A. Direct D got the camera up in a pig face. And D buried on the block, he gon' pull up to watch. Because these cops make up laws like right up on the spot. They just fraudulent. That's why we gotta hit up and just audit them. I could never trust a single one of them. Corruption in the pigs and the government. They are not your friends. Hey, not a cop supporter, I don't follow your unlawful orders.
Hello, sir. How you doing?
How you doing?
Okay, you got a driver's license for me? Any weapons in the car?
I don't answer questions. Here's your license.
Okay. You have registration insurance?
Yeah. What'd you stop me for?
What's that?
What'd you stop me for?
I stopped because you have two tow hitches that are blocking your plate, and your license plate light is pointed straight back.
No, it's not.
Straight back.
It's pointed down. You're a fucking liar.
You're a fucking liar. Check what we're done here.
Oh, yeah.
Where you headed?
None of your fucking business.
You have up-to-date registration? This was expired in 2023.
There you go. 2028.
Sir? Live in Glendale?
I don't answer questions.
Okay, I'm just saying because you have a Glendale address on the truck and then a Pine address on your driver's license.
So?
They said that there's two tow hinges covering the license plate.
You have insurance?
And that the license plate is pointing straight out. I mean, the license plate light is pointing straight back or straight out, whatever the fuck he said. Did he say his name when he approached
It's
the
a
window?
fucking, they're bumper holes, they're bumper drilled holes purposely from the factory to carry hinges, so this guy's full of shit.
Did you identify yourself when you approached?
Officer Garcia, 101089.
Let me get you your card. Actually, I sent that picture to you.
We are in Gilbert. Off of Aspen and what is this? Guadalupe?
5/4/2025.
We're on Burke and
Thank you, okay? I'll be back.
yeah, Guadalupe.
Shit. That's all he could get me for. He was so fucking mad. He followed us. Yeah, I'm not going on that dash cam following us for miles. Every time we switch lanes, he switched lanes.
everybody. You can turn that light off, man. Is that you, Felix? Fucking pussy, turning your light off. Felix is working. Felix is right here.
Oh, nice.
Felix, we were hoping it was you. Fucking short ass clown.
And the light has a metal piece that keeps it from shining up. You knew you would have got heat alive. Come on, you know.
Hate the cops in Arizona and across the border. All across the board, these little piggies on a power trip. They want to make you feel like you are powerless. But our power is in solidarity and unity, you know it's true. How it's 2023 and you still licking on a boo, you tripping. That's why D. Barrett pulled up with equipment. Keep them under supervision till them pigs is non-existent. Let's go.